A very good morning to one and all. My name is Soumya. As we all know, good health is central to human happiness and well being that contribute significantly to prosperity and wealth and even economic progress, as healthy populations are more productive, save more, and live longer. In this pandemic, we all have learnt the true importance of human health. In order to lead a happy and peaceful life, we all need a very good health. Today, I'm going to give you a brief analysis of yoga. Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or to yoke or to unite. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya is known as father of modern yoga. He was an Indian yoga teacher, Ayurvedic healer, and scholar. He is seen as one of the most important gurus of modern yoga and is often called the father of modern yoga for his wide influence on the development of postural yoga. We have many truths about yoga. Some of them are yoga is one of the oldest physical discipline in existence. Yoga helps to reduce depression. Yoga was originally practiced as a form of healing. Ancient yogis believed we only had a limited number of breaths. Yoga is inspired by practices in Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. There are 66 official yoga postures. Yoga was first introduced in the US in the late 19th century. Yoga has 8 branches or limbs. They are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. The third limb, Asana, refers to postures and poses that most people think of when they hear the word yoga. Human body has 8 chakras and each of these chakras are very much related to yoga. The 7 chakras are crown chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, sacral chakra, and root chakra. Some of the interesting things to know about yoga are over 36 million people in the US regularly practice yoga. The number of Americans practicing yoga has grown by over 50% in the last 4 years. People between 30 and 49 years old practice yoga more than any other age group. Male yoga practitioners are known as yogis, female practitioners are known as yoginis. Over 15% of Americans have practiced yoga in the last 6 months. Yoga is the most commonly used complementary health approach in the US. There are more than 100 styles of yoga. In 2016, there were over 52,000 registered yoga teachers. Research has shown that practicing yoga can delay aging. Americans spend $16 billion on yoga classes and equipment each year. Teaching yoga is becoming an increasingly popular career choice. Yoga is over 5,000 years old. Yoga is one of the oldest disciplines in the world. Yoga was introduced to America in the 18th century. The main purpose of yoga is to build strength, awareness, and harmony in both the mind and body. Some of the benefits of yoga are yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Yoga helps with back pain relief. Yoga can ease arthritis symptoms. Yoga benefits heart health. Yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Yoga helps you manage stress. Yoga connects you with a supportive community. Yoga promotes better self care. Yoga has least disadvantages. Some of them are it has injury risks, age considerations, health related threats, dehydration, loss of confidence or enthusiasm, building passive strength, social pressure. Yoga, as a mindfulness practice, can help correct basic limitations of the mind by improving self awareness, self control, and self esteem. The best way to understand yoga is try it out yourself. I would like to conclude this by telling a few words. Yoga is the medicine for nearly every problem. As you practice yoga, it does not only help you to improve your physical body but also helps in maintaining your inner peace and relaxing your mind. Thus, there is nothing that yoga will not help. Moreover, yoga is not just a one day practice, it's a lifelong commitment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.